Here, we're gonna do your nails, okay? Come here, Pepper. Come here. Come here, Pepper. Pepper, come. Pepper, come. Pepper, what's wrong? Don't you want your nails done? We have to do your nails. Pepper. Pepper. What's wrong? We're supposed to cut Pepper's nails and she doesn't want me to do them. So she's telling me that she doesn't want me to cut her nails. Oh.